Hello friends, in this video we are starting Food Tech lecture number 2, topic Food Preservation, lecture index, principles of preservation, methods of preservation, classification of preservatives. So without any further delay, let's get started. First we will start with the definition of food preservation. Food preservation is a process of treating and handling food to stop or greatly slow down spoilage caused or accelerated by microorganisms. Preservation usually involves preventing the growth of bacteria, fungi and other microorganisms as well as retarding the oxidation of fats which cause rancidity. It also includes a process to inhibit natural aging and discoloration that can occur during food preparation. Principles of food preservation. Number 1. Slowing down or inhibiting chemical deterioration and microbial growth. 2. Directly inactivating bacteria, yeast, molds or enzymes. 3. Avoiding recontamination before and after processing. Now, we will just go through each principles with examples. Inhibition. The methods based on inhibition includes those that rely on control of environment, those that result from particular methods of processing, and those that depend on the intrinsic properties built into particular foods. The danger zone for microbial growth is considered to be between 5 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. That chilling and storing at a temperature below 5 degrees Celsius is one of the most popular method of food preservation by inhibition. Inactivation. Inactivation can be done by using heat energy, high pressure, ultrasound, radiation, etc. Heat energy. Earlier, mostly heat was used for inactivation. Thermal inactivation is still the most widely used process of food preservation. The advantages of using heat for food preservation are: heat is safe and chemical free. It provides tender cooked flavor and taste. Thermally processed foods, when packed in sterile containers, have a very long shelf life. High pressure hydrostatic technology gained attention for its novelty and non-thermal preservation effect. Ultrasound is sound energy with a frequency range that covers the region from upper limit of human hearing, which is generally considered to be 20 kHz radiation. The irradiation process involves exposing the foods, either packed or in bulk, to a predetermined level of ionization radiation. Irradiation has wide scope in food disinfection, shelf life extension, decontamination, and product quality improvement. Although it has high potential, there is concern on legal aspects and safety issues and consumer attitude towards this technology. Avoid recontamination. It is an indirect approach towards the food preservation. In addition to direct approach, other measures such as packaging and quality management tools need to be implemented in the preservation process to avoid contamination and recontamination. Although these measures are not preservation techniques, they play an important role in producing high quality, safe foods. Food preservation methods are classified on the basis of 3 principles: inhibition, inactivation, and avoid recontamination. Under inhibition can be done by the methods like control of pH, freezing, drying, concentration, surface coating, low temperature storage, reduction of water activity, etc. Then inactivation can be done by the methods like sterilization, pasteurization, irradiation, electrifying, cooking, frying, extrusion, light, sound, magnetic field. And avoid recontamination can be done by using packaging, hygienic processing, hygienic storage, HACCP, GMP, ISO 9000, etc. So in coming lectures, we will discuss more on each methods. Food preservatives. Preservative for food may be defined as any chemical compound or process when applied to food, retard alterations caused by growth of microorganisms or enable the physical properties, chemical composition and nutritive value to remain unaffected by microbial growth. According to FSSAI rule, food preservatives are classified as Class 1 and Class 2 preservatives. Addition of Class 1 preservatives in any food is not restricted unless otherwise provided in this rule. Some of the examples of Class 1 preservatives are common salt, sugar, dextrose, glucose, spices, vinegar, honey, and edible vegetable oil. Use of Class 2 preservatives is restricted. They shall be added to only specified product and at a concentration not exceeding the proportion specified for the product. Use of more than one Class 2 preservative is prohibited. Some of the examples are benzoic acid, sulfurous acid, sorbic acid, niacin, propionic acid, methyl or propyl para-hydroxybenzoate, sodium diacetate, sodium, potassium and calcium salts of lactic acid. Now let's try a quiz on the topic food preservation. Link is in the description. If you want to download the study material based on this topic, you can join us on our Telegram channel or send us a mail. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.